Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're taking a look at our family car, the 2020 Peugeot 3008 GT Line Premium. And I'll be showing you some of its interesting high-tech features that make this SUV feel more modern than you'd expect. From the digital cockpit to the fancy safety tech, this car is packed with surprises. So let's jump straight in. This is one of the first things people notice. The Peugeot i-Cockpit. It's a fully digital driver display with different themes. You can switch between navigation, dials, minimal mode, and even a personalized view. It looks super sharp and it's positioned higher than a traditional cluster, so you don't need a giant steering wheel blocking it. Next up is the main infotainment screen. It's not the biggest in the world, but Peugeot made a smart choice by putting these physical toggle switches underneath. They control navigation, climate, radio, and vehicle settings, and they feel really nice to use. Also, the GT Line Premium gets Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, which works great. This 3008 is loaded with safety features, including lane keep assist, speed limit recognition, cruise control, and driver attention alert. You get lots of warning systems in the car without it constantly alerting you, which is really nice. This is one of my favorite features, the 360-degree camera. When you put the car in reverse, you get a wide-angle view plus a top-down reconstruction. It makes parking the 3008 so much easier, especially in tight spaces. The interior on these cars is seriously underrated. You get ambient lighting, soft materials, and this interior feels so premium, and to me it feels like a concept car design, and it's so easy to operate its functions whilst driving. There's also a wireless charging pad tucked underneath the dashboard. It's a bit hidden, but once you know it's there, it's actually really practical. And of course, the GT Line Premium comes with a full panoramic sunroof. It brings lots of light into the cabin and makes the car feel so much more spacious. You get a sport button which makes the car feel a bit more sporty as it stiffens the steering, makes the accelerator more responsive, and pumps a nice growl through the speakers. And let's not forget, you get some red dials too. You can also switch the transmission to manual using this M button and use the flappy paddles to change gear. I was quite impressed at how responsive the manual gear changes are. It's fun for a couple of minutes, but then you remember you're in a family car and you need to be sensible. So the 3008 might look like an ordinary SUV from the outside, but it's packed with high-tech features that make it feel more like a luxury car. I personally think it's a very underrated car. Well, that's all for this video. If you enjoyed this quick tour of our 3008, please make sure you give the video a like and subscribe for more videos, and I'll see you in the next one.